Hey everyone, it's Ryan Grimes here from My IT&D. The recurring theme has been it's time. So it's time to take your business to the next level. It's time to do things differently to build your business better in 2025. So the topic for this video is your website. Your website is the only part of your business that markets your company 24/7, 365. And here are three mistakes people are making on their websites that we can help you fix and get you a much better experience. The first thing is you have a blog with no content on it. Nothing says I half-assed my business than having a blog on your site on a link they can click with no content for 3 years. That tells me that you had great intentions, but you don't have follow through. So you need to have a blog, even if you have syndicated content that you pay for. Have your blog updated with something to keep you relevant. Okay. The second thing is your website doesn't work on mobile. A lot of older websites have zero mobile compatibility, and the number one way people are looking for you is sitting on their phone, sitting on their iPhone, sitting on their Android phone. That's how they're looking for services. If your website does not work, they will not try to talk to you. The third thing is it's just out of date with the scope of services that you offer. Your scope of services is out of date. Your pictures are out of date. Your phrasing is out of date. Your SEO is out of date. Like, you're not doing the things and keeping it modern in order to make your website work better for your company. And those are all things we can help you with here at My IT&D. So if you want to schedule a quick 15-minute phone conversation, the link is provided below. Thank you very much. Again, this is Ryan Grimes from My IT&D.